So now that you know how to create files in Google Drive, we're going to go over how to share those files. So we're going to use example 3 to share. At the top right is a button that says share, so you're going to click that. A pop-up will pop up. Right here it will say who is the owner, which will always be you, and you are going to put in the email address of the person or people that you want to share it with. So I am going to put and there I am. Okay, so now that I have put in that email address, I can either give this person the option to only view the file, to only comment on the file but not make any adjustments, or to completely adjust the file. So I'm going to hit editor. The person will be notified when they get this file sent to them, and if you would like to leave a message with them, you are more than welcome to. Please help me make this document better. Any message that you think will help them understand why you are sending that file. When you are done, hit send. There you go, and if you pop up share again, you will see that this person is also on the below for editor. So anybody you share this file with will also pop up down here below. The other option that you can do is if you want to just get a link to the file, you're more than welcome to. If you only want to have the people that you have added, like up here, you would hit copy link and it will pop up with link copied. So all you have to do is paste the link wherever you want it. If you want it to be a public link, you would say change to anyone with the link. So it would pop down here, restricted, and anyone with the link. So if you want it to be a public, you would do this. And then again, you can choose if the person has the link, if they want to be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. I only want them to be a viewer for this link, and I'm going to copy link. Sometimes if you are with a company that created the Google account for you, in between restricted and on anyone with the link will be anyone that has a blah 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 account, so any company account. And then once you are done with the link copy, you hit done and you can paste that link anywhere you would like. And that is it on how to share files.